Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install the Windows TIFF iFilter on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So basically, this is an optional feature that provides optical character recognition, or OCR, for TIFF files or image files, enabling the Windows search indexer to recognize them and make text within scanned documents searchable. So in order to turn this on, I'm going to open up the search menu, select Turn Windows. Best result, you come back with Turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down on this page, there should be something that says Windows TIFF iFilter. Go ahead and check mark inside of there and select OK to install. And then it should say Windows completed the requested changes. Close out of here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.